Stuffed olives wrapped in a buttery cheddar pastry, oven baked. Here is an easy, tasty party snack. We're making cheesy baked olives. Only 7 ingredients and we do the entire thing with a food processor. I'm telling you, this is so easy, but wait, better still, make them, freeze them, and then bake them off from frozen as needed. They are totally party friendly. Let's go. You'll need 1 jar of stuffed olives, drain them, and then lay the olives out on a paper towel to remove all the excess moisture. Next, grab a food processor fitted with a blade attachment. Like I said, watch how easy. Into the canister of the food processor, we're dropping 2 cups of grated extra old cheddar cheese. We're gonna add 1 1/4 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, then 1 stick of butter, it is softened, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt. Lid goes on the machine, and then we're gonna run on low speed until the dough comes together. Knead the dough a little bit gently, and then we're gonna wrap it up, refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Now let's say you're just gonna make and bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, rack is in the middle position, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then, taking the dough about a tablespoon's worth at a time, we're gonna shape a ball, flatten it out into the palm of our hand, and then place an olive into the center. Wrap the dough around the olive. If you have too much dough, pinch a little bit off. Wrap it up, transfer it to the parchment-lined baking sheet. Remember, practice makes perfect. So we do another one. Great thing about this recipe, the more you make, pretty soon you're not gonna need that tablespoon measure. You'll be able to eyeball this to create perfectly uniform stuffed olives. All of them go on a baking sheet and we're ready to bake. But wait, if you're making this ahead for a future party, simply place the olive balls into a storage container or bag, mark them up and stick them in the freezer. But you know me, I cannot wait, so into the oven they go. Transfer the olives to the oven. We're gonna bake for 18 minutes or until they're golden. Look how wonderful they look as they come out. I wanna tilt one over so you can see all that crusty little cheese business going on the underside. And now the anatomy of a well-made party snack. Sharp knife, let me cut it in half. Check out how gorgeous this is. One final little tip, if you're making this party snack from frozen, you're gonna wanna bake those olives for 22 minutes. That'll do the trick. Ready to make them? Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it as well. And then when a party snack is this perfect, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag #WeekendAtTheCottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Cheesy baked olives. Yum! Party on!